Go ahead, Rosa. Can you clap for mommy? You want to try clapping for mommy, Rosa? God bless you. Good girl. Good girl. Can you clap for mommy? Okay, you can clap for mommy. Good. Okay, let's see it. 1, 2, 3. Clap. Clap.
She's waving.
She's waving. That's another trick. Maybe if you sit her down, like on your lap,